My nose is leaky. I'm gonna go. Hold on.
I'm allergic to cheater.
I have to say pineapple when I sneeze because it's supposed to make you not sneeze for some reason. I don't know why. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but right now it doesn't. And I've been sneezing non-stop today. Like this whole day has been either me sneezing or me like cleaning out my nose or blowing it out. And it's I got a nasty scab out of my nose today. I covered my black eyes like the first day I put on some makeup. And my skin has been really good because I haven't been wearing makeup. It's like my makeup makes me break out. It used to be the opposite. It used to be days where I don't wear makeup, I would break out. But now it's like when I do wear makeup, I do break out. So my nose is leaky. I'm gonna go. Hold on. That was like my 10th sneeze in like 1 minute. Trying to make myself not sneeze, but I can't. I read to tickle the roof of your mouth with your tongue, like. I'm gonna sneeze!
I'm allergic to all this gluten.
Oh. Pineapple! Okay, we put the egg in and let it cook.
I'm going to sneeze. I'm like allergic to this TikTok.
I've literally sneezed over 30 times today. I've been sneezing nonstop. I don't know what it is. Am I getting a cold or? But I did read like a lot of people after they get septoplasty, like their nose is a little tingly and they start sneezing a lot. So I don't like sneezing, and it's supposed to be really bad. It's supposed to like mess up your nose after you sneeze.
I'm allergic to cheaters. Anyways, these people